welcome to the very first Whiskers TV Overtime. So we'll get it out of the way quickly. We lost to Edinburgh, 2-1, just like some other team did on Saturday. And we would like to say a massive apology to all those Belfast and Sheffield fans who obviously took great offence this week's Whiskers TV and what we said. They've been tweeting us since the result came out. Just like to point out though that the result doesn't mean you didn't lose, you still lost as well. Just like us tonight. And Caps deserved it.
Oh, yeah. Definitely, yeah. And played us all game well, probably about the first minute and a half where we scored a goal where we just walked through and put in. Ling tapped in a ball that was already in the net, I think.
Yeah.
But after that, Caps deserved it. Well played to them.
Yeah, I think they. I think the first period we got frustrated because we had that many shots, we didn't score, and they grew in confidence and visibly grew in confidence throughout the game. I think they got that scrappy goal back, and they scored a fantastic second.
I don't make it any worse than it was.
Sorry, yeah, blimey. But it was an absolutely belting finish for their winning goal. And then they just defended. They kept us to long range shots. We didn't actually look like scoring. And we paid for it.
Yeah.
We paid for a poor performance, and they came and played superbly. Yeah. So I mean, you kind of look at them and think two road games where we won against Sheffield and then looks, I mean, that's a hell of a performance for them.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm struggling here. I mean, I can only agree with what Jono said, you know, that their goal was probably the only piece of quality in the entire game. We were bad. They weren't much better. I mean, it wasn't a classic by any means. I'm not taking anything at all away from Edinburgh, nothing at all. They deserved to win.
They did deserve to win,
but it wasn't a classic.
No, they shut the game. They shut the game down.
Yeah, well,
coming with 12 skaters,
they're always going to do.
They have to do that.
Yeah.
You know, and they don't care about the crowd. They come to do a professional job and win a hockey game, and that's what they did.
I'm sorry, but no player should care about the people in the crowd. It's all about the game. You know, I get a bit fed up hearing all this about, we've got to turn up and entertain. Why? Do you get any extra points for entertaining? No.
It's 2 points.
It's 2 points for you either win or you lose. Or you draw and then you get the penalties and then that's still drawing. Or winning. He liked it. And that's what the game's about. It's not about entertaining.
Of course, this weekend we now see what sort of team we've got. Do we?
I think we already have done, haven't we?
Well, you know,
there's need to drink.
We've got Hull on Saturday, which is not going to be an easy game, especially after that, and then Belfast on Sunday. We'll see what guts, quality, and passion the team has, because they have to come back from this with a win on Saturday. It's imperative, and there's no way Hull are going to give us an easy ride.
It's not just games like playing, you know, it's a top of the table clash. They kept telling us, it's not much longer if we keep playing like that. But it's not just games like that. It's the games like tonight. Every game counts towards that league total. Not, you know, we've got to show our mettle now. And if we are serious about winning the league, then we've got to go to Hull on Saturday and prove it.
We'll be back with another Whiskers TV Overtime. Our guest will be Paddy Smith from A View from the Bridge, and he's a big Belfast Giants fan, and we'll be putting that out on Sunday. So until then, see you then.